Most false alarms in your Kia Telluride are linked to three main components: the proximity antenna, door switches, and your key fob battery. Next, check your door switches. These detect if doors are properly closed. Issues arise from misalignment, corrosion, or dirt. Finally, a weak key fob battery is a common cause. Replace the CR232 battery every 6 to 12 months to maintain a strong signal. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider software updates or a visit to the dealership. If basic checks don't solve the problem, more advanced solutions may be needed. Check for available over-the-air updates via the Kia Connect app or through your dealership software. Kia issued a recall for 2020-2023 models due to faulty proximity antennas and security modules. Ensure your Telluride has received this update. If issues persist, a Kia-specific OBD2 reader can help diagnose body control module error codes, such as B186 for fob issues. The body control module acts as the brain, interpreting inputs from vehicle components. For long-term prevention, keep your key fob dry and away from extreme temperatures. Future Telluride models may incorporate AI-assisted diagnostics and improved cybersecurity for key fobs, reducing alarm faults. Consider that electromagnetic interference from urban environments can affect your car alarm, so be mindful of where you park. By staying proactive with maintenance and updates, you can minimize false alarms and ensure your Telluride's security system functions correctly.